For grinding down the corner heel, we starting using the rough sandpaper on the grinding machine. When we gradually go to the more smooth sandpaper. Grind away a lot for one pass. So it's just to make rough sealing first. So this is the screw ferrule for the neck. I making by this kind of drill bit for the kind of smaller one. It looks like a little bit too small. Usually I use this kind of bigger one. This one is work fine on this. The difficulty is you don't have this kind of drill, bigger drill bit for this bigger one. So I found this kind of drill bit. This is to drill a hole on the stainless steel plate more easily. Because if you want to take away so many material from stainless steel, it's difficult. But this kind of drill bit is kind of only taking the outer side. But it doesn't have the. I need to make a guide rod to put in the center. This is too thinner for the putting in the middle of this hole. So what I do is just make a temporary tool. Also, you should do this before sanding, so it's not easy to crack on the edge. So you can see, even I just turn it by manually, it's sharp enough to grab the wool out. Don't need to put it on the power tool. Need to go deeper. It's a little bit on the edge. We can using some knife to chip it off. Now to go back to retrain it to deeper size until I put in here. You can feel the depth is enough, so it's filling first with the surface. And also using this, make sure the edge is also flattened.